Hi, this is Philip Tamaki with Asus, and I'm here at CES 2018 at the ROG suite. And right now, this is the ROG G703 gaming laptop. This is our successor to the ROG G752. This represents the class of ROG laptops within the muscle category. So these are powerful desktop replacements that are still allow you to be relatively mobile and take the device to your friend's place. We've made the biggest improvements in this class of laptops pretty much ever in this series. Going from the G752 to the G703, we introduced individual Perky Backlighting on the keyboard, so you can control the customization of the color individually on each key of the G703. Another thing that we've done that's new to this generation is integrated an Xbox wireless controller module built into the device. So you no longer need a dongle to be able to play on the G703 with the Xbox controller. And lastly, when we introduced the G703, this was the very first laptop on the market with a 144Hz panel. So combine that with the GTX 1080 graphics and an Intel Core i7 7820HK processor, you're truly getting a desktop class experience that you can take on the road.